It's the latest update. So this is how my lettuce looking so far. So we plan to get this lettuce inside a tire, and that's gonna be its home. Well, inside to put this lettuce down inside another container, maybe a tire, maybe a bucket. I'm not sure. I'm debating on leaving this one by itself since it's only one, and that is the Black Simpson. I'm probably leaving it on the porch. I haven't fully made my mind up yet though. So we got the Black Simpson. We have the Butter Crunch back here. And we got the Bib lettuce. So Bib, Butter Crunch, and Black Simpson. So Black Simpson is not, I don't think it's a heat tolerant plant. That's why I didn't get as much germination. I think I probably would do better if I do it in January with this lettuce. So that's gonna be the goal for next year, to start my lettuce earlier. But I have not been putting it in full sun, like full heat of sun, because I live in Zone 8B, Mississippi, and it is the summertime, and I know these plants can't take a whole lot of heat. Well, lettuce can't take a whole lot of heat, period. But with that said, this is how we're looking with every other day of full actual sun. Not for hours, maybe like 2 or 3 hours at a time. But I think overall, once I put it in this shady spot that I'm planning on putting it in containers, I think that we're gonna get some type of lettuce to harvest. Maybe not back to back come and cut again harvests, but maybe one or two. So that is what I think so far. But yeah, this is my latest update for you guys. Kale update. The kales look horrible. Look at the kale. Look at it. Looking horrible. They have been eaten up by these caterpillar bugs. I'm gonna have to come through and clean up. I have so much. See, look at it. Look at them bugs. These bugs are tearing my kale bed up. So, just gonna get rid of all these 8 leaves and try to put down some DE. If y'all wanna see that video, follow me. Alright, that is it on the kale update. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.